This is how we make sure that there's always fuel oil for the main engine, so that we never run out of fuel while we are sailing. First I checked the tank that we were using, and I see that the millimeter water gauge is very low, so there's no pressure. Therefore it's time to switch the tank. So first I empty out the overflow tank, just to make sure that if anything goes wrong, we have an empty overflow tank that all the diesel oil can flow into. And then I check that all the valves are correct. I check that it goes through the counter, and that these two valves are opened and closed correctly. And then we're following the line all the way to the filling valve, and we're opening that because we're going from the overflow tank to the third tank. Then we're starting the pump, and then now we can see the counter running. There was only 219 liters, so it didn't take very long. Then after that we go back to the normal positions, shut off these valves, and restart this counter. Close the filling valve and open the suction valve. And then here I'm pointing to where it flows now. So now it flows through this skinny pipe into this pump, and then it goes through this CJC filter into the main engine. Then you can see the gauge filling here. Yeah, all in all, successful transfer.